Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here is SPFX speaking, and today I'm gonna be focusing on how to identify support and resistant areas. So let's get started. As you can see right here, this is the Euro versus USD market, and then I'm in the daily time frame chart. So as you can see, this market was moving in the downtrend right here, and here we're moving in the sideways market or ranging market, and then this is the uptrend, and then this is the downtrend, this uptrend, and then this is the downtrend. So for today, I'm gonna be showing you different things that you should look for when you're analyzing the market. So I'm gonna start from daily time frame chart, and then let me just put a straight horizontal line here. As you can see, I put the horizontal line here, and then this is the lowest level of this market, of this previously market right here. So here we have a breakout. So what you're gonna be expecting is that maybe this market can make a retracement and then continue to move down, or maybe this market can come back inside this area of ranging market, so that now we'll be expecting that this market can maybe continue to move in the ranging market, or continue to move in the down direction. So let me zoom in so that you can see clearly what's going on here. As you can see that we were moving from here to here, which is a downtrend or bearish trend. And then let me show you what do I mean when I say we should look for how to identify the support and resistant area. So when the market is moving in the down or uptrend, it's gonna be making something like this. It's gonna making higher lows and lower lows. So this is what you're gonna see in the down or uptrend. This is what you're gonna see when the market is moving in the down or in the uptrend. So when we are talking about the areas of support and resistance level, we are talking about area where once we have this previously turning point right here, that's where you're gonna draw your horizontal line from here, and then you draw it just like this. So at this side we are referring this price action that, or this market that is in, this is the support area. And then once we break this horizontal line here, that's where we're gonna expect that this market is gonna give us a resistant area if it come around or near this level and turn in the down direction. So as you can see, this market continues to move down, which means that this is now our resistant area. So this is how we're gonna do the very same thing. Even here, once we have this previously point or turning point right here, we're gonna have this support right here, and then market move up, we have resistance, and then we have a breakout right here. So which means that we're gonna expect that this market is going to give us a resistant level right here. So what is a support and resistant level? So you should know what do we mean when we say this is a support and this is a resistant level. So in other words, when we are talking about support, let's say you are inside the house, and then when you look up you see the ceiling, and then when you look down you look down, you see the floor. So support can be, we can take the floor as a support, and then we can take your ceiling as a resistant. So I think I gave you the good example of what do we mean when we say support and the and the resistant area. So as you can see right here, you can see that if market is moving just like this, just like this, just like this, just like this, we're gonna refer this market as a sideways market or ranging market. So this is going to be our support, our resistance, and then here at the lower or at the bottom of this price action is gonna be our support. So I hope now you get it. When what do I mean when I say this is the support, this is the resistant area? So let's move forward. Let's continue here. I say that this market is going to give us this turning point right here, and then it moves up and then continues to move down. We have a breakout. This is going to be our resistance. So when market is moving just like this, this is a downtrend. This is a downtrend. So in a downtrend, this line from here to here is going to be our impulsive wave, and then from here to here it's going to be our retracement or a pullback, and then from here to here it's going to be our impulsive wave, pullback, impulsive wave, retracement, you see. So this is the simplest way of identifying the trend. Once we have a breakout, that's where we're gonna refer that this market is going to give us a downtrend. If this market gives us, like it was moving just like this, just like this, just like this, this is not an uptrend. If we have this point, this is not an uptrend. We are going to say this market is, or it can move in an uptrend once we have a breakout. And then once we have a breakout, we are going to expect that this market is going to give us a retracement and then continues to move way up, you see. So if we did not, or we don't break this level, this is not going to be our uptrend. It can move in the ranging market, or it can continue to move down. But if we have a breakout here, what we're going to expect is that this market can give us a retracement and then continues to move up. I hope this is clear, guys. I hope this is clear. If we have this turning point right here, that's where we're gonna draw our horizontal line, and then we take this one as our resistance, and then once we have a breakout, we retrace this line here, or this level right here, and then that's where we're gonna look for the buy positions. This one is going to be our support level. So this is our low, and then this is going to be our lower low, just because of this point is low or lower than the previously one. So this is our lower low, and then this is our lower low. This is our, we are going to have our lower low here, and then this is our high, and then this is our higher low, higher low, higher low. This is how you're gonna identify the trend. We have so many ways to identify the trend. So here, just because of we're moving in the uptrend, this is our high, and then this is our low. So when we are moving forward to this point here, this is going to be our higher low, and then this is going to be our higher high, lower low. So this is how you can also identify the trend. So I hope everything is clear here. Guys, if you don't understand, or if you are getting confused, you can hit me via my Facebook. It's SBFX. You're gonna find me there. So this is our resistance, and then this is our support, and this is our resistance. Now we are going to expect that this market is going to move just like this and give us a retracement, give us a support, and then continues to move up. So I hope Now you can identify the uptrend and the downtrend and the ranging market. I show you that this is the ranging market. Market is going to move up, down, just like this. Let me show you again right here, just like this. This is our ranging market. Market is going to move just like this. So I hope everything is clear here. So I don't know why you guys get confused when you go to the real market. There is nothing else special. It's the very same thing, guys. It's the very same thing. You will have to look for the very same thing. So let's go straight to the real market or real chart, and you're gonna see the very same thing. You're gonna see the very same thing. Okay, this is the real chart. So I showed you that this market is moving in the downtrend. This is the bearish, this is the bullish trend, this is the bearish. So many people come in my inbox there and ask, how do I see that this market is going to change the direction? How am I going to see that this market is going to change the direction? So don't worry about that. I'm going to show you how to see that this market is going to change direction right here in this video. So as you can see here, let me show you using these two trends. As you can see here, we have uptrend and then we have downtrend. So let me just quickly show you. Let me just quickly show you right here. Let me just quickly show you right here. So as you can see right here, this is, we're moving in the uptrend. So let me zoom in. This is the uptrend. I am in the daily time frame chart. Don't forget that this is the daily time frame chart. So here I am moving in the uptrend. So what I'm going to, or what I was going to do is that, let's say from here, let's say from here, you can see that this market was this market was moving like this, ne? This is some of the triangles right here. I have them right here in front of me. This might be symmetrical triangle. You see, this might be symmetrical triangle. So let me just show you what I was wanted to show you, how to see that this market is going to move, to change the direction. So as you can see, this market is moving in the uptrend, ne? Let's say from here, this market is moving in the uptrend. So once this market is moving in the uptrend, I'm going to wait for the breakout of this market. So once I have the breakout, that's where I'm gonna see that this market now is going to move in the down direction. So this is my horizontal line, which is resistant right here. So as we break here, I'm going to expect that this is going to be my support, you see. So right now I have my support level right here. Unless this market break below this line, that's where I'm gonna say now I'm going to, or this market is going to move in the down direction, something like this. Now I can say this market is going to move in the down direction. If we break above again, this is going to be my false breakout. So as you can see, we have a breakout right here. So once we have a breakout, that's where I'm gonna see that now this market is going to move in the down direction. I told you that if this market is moving in the uptrend just like this, it's gonna be making higher highs and higher lows. So as you can see, we have this support and resistance right here. We have this support and resistance right here, and then again we have this support and resistance here, and then let me show you. So if this market come around this level, that's where I'm going to look for the buy positions now, just because of I'm in the uptrend. So if this market break below, now I'm not going to yeah, I can still look for the buy positions, but this is the alert that this market can now move in the down direction. So once this market come here in this level and then break above, that's why I'm going to expect that this market is still moving in the up trend. So now, as you can see right here, we have a breakout below, you see, and then what I'm going to expect is that this market is going to come here and then move just like this, and then move just like this. So it is also possible that this market can also break like this and continues to move up, or it can break here and then come here and make a double bottom or triple bottom and then continues to move down. So let me play and see what's gonna be, where it's gonna be. As you can see, we break in again. So I'm going to draw my horizontal line from here just like this. If we break this level right here, I'm going to say now I'm moving in the down direction, but just because of this price is still moving above this line right here, now this is the uptrend. We're still moving in the uptrend. I just want to show you how to see that this market is now moving in the down or uptrend. Now we have a break below, which means that I'm going to expect that this market is going to move in the down direction. I hope this is clear, guys. I hope this is clear, guys. So you can see that we have a breakout here, and then we retrace this line here, and then market moves down, and then what you're gonna do is that you're gonna draw your resistance line here. This market can come and test this line and then continues to move down, and once you have this line, a turning point, you draw a horizontal line, guys. You draw a horizontal line, and then you're gonna expect that the market is going to retest that level. As you can see, I also have this turning point right here. I also have this turning point right here. So that's the areas where you're gonna look for the buy or sell positions. You should also know the candlestick patterns. I hope that could help you more. That could help you more. You see, this is the down direction. Let me just delete this one so that you don't get confused. This is how I identify the support and resistance level. This is how I identify the support and the resistance level. Guys, tell me, is this thing hard? This is not hard, guys. You can do this. This is the areas of support and resistant level. As you can see, this is our support right now. As we break below, this is going to be our resistant. So I hope everything is clear right now. I hope everything is clear. So that's how you can trade with support and resistant levels. So if you want to put a trend line, there is this thing we call, it's a trend line. So how to draw a trend line? A trend line, you should have, I also tell my student that you should have something that looks like M, alphabet M, if you want to draw a trend line. It should looks like this. You see, you should have something that looks like M. And then once you have this thing here, what you are going to do is that you should have these 2 points right here. You draw your line from here to here, and then what are you going to expect next is that this market is going to move near this line here, or around this line. That's where you're gonna look for the sell signals. That's where you're gonna look for the sell signals, and then this market can continue to move just like this. And it's possible that this market can break here. It can break here just like this. But remember, I told you that there is something that we call, it's a support and resistant area, which means that you should have this horizontal line right here. So if we break the trend line, but we did not break this resistant level, there is a high possibilities of that this market is still, or it can still move in the down direction. You see, even if we break the trend line, but we did not break this resistant level. But if we break this resistant level right here, just like this, now I can say this market is going to move in the up direction. I hope this is clear. I hope this is clear. So let's continue. Let's continue right here. This is the euro versus USD in the daily time frame chart. So I hope now you can draw support and resistance levels. So let me just drop down to 4 hours time frame chart. Let me just drop down to 4 hours time frame chart. 4 hours time frame chart. So here I am in the 4 hours time frame chart. I want to show you something right here. From here to here, look closely guys. From here to here, we are moving in the uptrend. From here to here, this is the down trend, and from here to here we are moving up, you see. But from here, if we want to draw this channel right here, you can see that this market is moving in the sideways. This is the sideways market or ranging market. So I want you to know how to differentiate between, or how to see the ranging market in the chart, in the real chart. So I hope now you can see that we are moving in the ranging market right here. This is the downtrend, a clear downtrend, and then this is the ranging market. So we have a false breakout at the top, and then a clear or a true breakout occurs below, and then from here to here, this is the downtrend, this is the sideways. Let me just draw a box. Yeah, I hope you can see clearly. This is the sideways market. We have a false breakout right here, and you know that once we have a previously turning point, you draw a horizontal line just like this, so that you will know that this sideways can end up we can end up having a false breakout just like this one. So I told you that. Let me show you here. This market just moved like this, just move like this, and then we have a sideways right here, and then this market break here and then turn or make a turning point right here, and then continues to move down. So what happened here, I have already explained it somewhere, but I cleared that one. But I hope everything is clear right here, guys. So let me show you right here. Let me just delete this thing here. So this is the downtrend, this is the uptrend, this is the downtrend, and now we are in the uptrend. So what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to draw another horizontal line from here, from the peak of this market. This is my horizontal line, and then I'm going to draw my horizontal line from the lowest low of this market right here. So you can see that now I have these two horizontal lines right here. So I'm expecting that this market can end up reaching this position right here. So let me just show you. We have a turning point right here, so that we have a turning point right here, so that this market moves down and make a double bottom and then continues to move up, and then this market make a retracement right here and then continues to move up. And then if we can draw the very same thing right here, you can see that this market make a breakout right here, and then once we have that breakout, once we have this breakout right here, this market make a retracement and then continues to move up. So just like this, you draw your horizontal line, and then once we have a breakout, what are you going to expect is that this market can come and retrace this level. So this is the uptrend from here to here. I told you that once we break this level, previously level, this is the symbol that this market can continue to move in the down direction. So I hope this is clear. We have a resistance right here, and then market move in the down direction. We retest here, move in the up direction, and then we continue to move down. But here you can also draw a horizontal line or your key level, and then you can also draw a key level right here, just for the in case if this market move in the sideways market. You can see I don't prefer trading in the ranging market. I usually trade trends, so that I can have more chances to win the trade. So as you can see here, we have a breakout, and then I hope as you can see, I'm analyzing this market in the 4 hours time frame chart, which means that if this market just gave me this bar here, I know that if I drop down to the 1 hour time frame chart, I can see something interesting right here. I can see something more interesting in these key levels, and here it is. Look here. Look here, we just break this line here, and then we break this one here, but we have a green bar here. This is a retracement. If you go down to the at least a 15 minutes time frame, you can see that we have a retracement here, which means that you are going to catch this market or this movement right here, you see. So let me just show you what am I talking about. What am I talking about? So I just drop down to the 15 minutes time frame just so that you can see what am I talking about. That one is a retracement. It's a retracement. So I hope this is clear. This is our support level, and then we have a breakout right here. So you know, when we drop down to the 15 minutes time frame chart, we are no longer having that as you can see, we have to draw this support. Okay, let me not change anything. You get confused, né? Let me not change anything. Let me use these lines. You know, this is our support level. So we break this support level here, and then what am I going to look for is the retracement, and then you can see that we have a retracement, and then market continues to move down, which means that if you were just wanted to trade this market right here, what you are going to wait for is that you can see that we have an engulfing bar right here. I told you that you have to learn candlestick patterns. I told you that you have to learn candlestick patterns so that it will be more easier for you to trade in this kind of market. So you can see that we have a retracement. You put your stop loss above this engulfing bar, and then I usually use risky and reward ratio of 2. Risky and reward ratio of 2. So as you can see, we're going to win this trade, and it's possible we can also make some losses in forex. It's possible, and don't be afraid of losing in the forex. The thing is, you have to manage, you have to win more and lose less. So that's the thing that you should manage. You should have a good or proper risky and reward management. There are some people who usually use something like risky and reward ratio of 3, 4, 5. Yeah, as you can see, there are some people who usually use this kind of risky and reward ratio. They were going to lose, they were going to win this trade either, but they were going to wait for the long time. As you can see, if you use the risky and reward ratio of 2, you're going to wait at least 1 day, but here you can see, yeah, it's still 1 day. Here you can see you're going to wait more hours. You're going to wait for the more hours. Let me just check here how many bars right here until you won this trade. You can see 87 bars. You just take you calculate the actual time that you are going to wait right here. It's 21 hours and 45 minutes. This is what I can see. It's 21 hours and 45 minutes. So some traders don't prefer waiting that long in the trade. So you can see you're going to wait from here to here, and you're going to win more money, you see. So this is how you can trade with the support and resistance level. Don't forget that I analyze this market from the high time frame chart to the low time frame chart. For entries I use low time frame chart. So let me just come here for today. This market is closed today, Saturday. So this market is closed right here. So you can see clearly that here we're moving This is still the uptrend. Let me just move in the 4 hours time frame chart. Here you can see this is the uptrend, this is the downtrend, and then yeah, as you can see, this is the downtrend. We're still in the downtrend. So here you're going to draw your horizontal line just like this. Okay, let me draw this horizontal line just like this. This is my resistance level, and then once you have this turning point, you're gonna draw your horizontal line just like this. This is still my support, my resistance. Yeah, this is still my resistance, and then this one is going to be my resistance again. So we break, we retrace, and then you look for the sell position, the lower time frame chart, and then you use risk and reward ratio that you prefer. So this is going to be my support. So this market, false breakout. So here we go. This market was moving just like this, and then we have a breakout just like this. This is strong. You can see that this momentum was in the up direction. So this is the strong breakout, which means that once you have this impulsive wave, you can see that this market can continue to move in the up direction just because of this the powerful of this momentum. You can see we have retracement, impulsive wave, and then now this is the retracement, and then that's where you're gonna look for the buy positions right here. Some of traders, I think they were going to take this trade somewhere here, and then if you use it will depend on your risk and reward ratio, but if you use the risk and reward ratio of 2, you're going to win this trade. Stop loss right here, and then you can see that we have something that looks like a pin bar. I don't refer this one as a pin bar. That's why I say this is looks like a pin bar, but it can be maybe a doji. Yeah, this is the doji. Yeah, maybe dragonfly. No, this is not the dragonfly doji, but it's a doji. And you can see here, this is the doji. This is the 4 hours time frame chart. Don't forget that this is the doji too. This is the indecision candle, which means that this market, buyers and sellers have no control at this point. So as you can see, we're moving in the downtrend, and then we have a doji right here, and then again we have this candlestick right here, which means that there is a high possibilities of this market to move in the up direction. So we have an impulsive move right here. So that's the area where you're gonna look for the buy positions. As you can see that our momentum is moving in the bullish trend. So this is, you can see the very same stuff right here. Correction, impulsive correction, correction. If you go down to the low time frame chart, you're going to see very clear. Let me just move to 1 hour time frame chart and show you the very same stuff that I'm talking about. You can see that you have something that looks like an engulfing bar. I don't refer this one as an engulfing bar. That's why I said it's something that looks like an engulfing bar, and then that's where you're gonna enter your trade. You have a pin bar here. You have a pin bar. If you were about to enter this trade, you're going to some of traders were going to, after this candlestick close, they were going to enter this trade just like this. They're going to enter this trade just like this and put the stop loss below this pin bar, and then they apply their risk and reward ratio. But some, if you don't know how to apply this risk and reward ratio, I think it's a good idea to use the previously point, to use the previously turning point. So you can use not the wick, you can use the body, the real body, the opening or closing of the real body, and then which means that you're going to put this thing just like this, you see. So this is how you can trade with support and resistance areas. This is the let me not confuse you. Let me draw a straight line just like this. I'm going to take this one as my my resistance, and then here, right here below this one, is going to be my support. So you can see that this market was moving just like this, like range market, and then we have a breakout right here, and then we have a retracement. If you move down to the 15-minute time frame chart, you're gonna see that we have a retracement right here. Let me just move. As you can see, we have a breakout, and then we have a red candle. This red candle is a retracement, which means that you are going to enter right here. So let me move to 5-minute time frame chart. I just want you to see the clear. The more we move to the lower time frame charts, the more we're gonna see the retracement. Now you can see that we have a retracement right here. I hope now it's kind of clear that we have a retracement just like right here. And then 1-minute time frame chart. This is the 1-minute time frame chart. I just want you to see only the retracement. You can analyze the market, and then sometimes you cannot see the retracement from the 4 hours time frame chart. But if you drop down to the lower time frame chart, like 1 hour and 15-minute time frame chart, that's where you're gonna see the retracement. That's where you're gonna see the retracement. I think it's I'm not getting it. Okay, let me just do this. I think it might be somewhere here. Okay, it's fine. I lost that area. Oh, I get it. I told you that I just want you to see that we have a retracement. So in 1-minute time frame chart, you can see that this market, we have a breakout, first breakout here, and then we have a breakout here. So in 1-minute time frame chart, you can see that. Let's take this one as our resistance, and then you can see that this market move from here and then to here. We have a retracement, and then we have an impulsive wave. This is the breakout of this area right here, and then we have a retracement just like this, and then we have a impulsive move, and then we have a retracement, and then we have impulsive move. So this is how this market move. So you know, this is the area from the 4 hours time frame chart. This is from the 4 hours time frame chart. So you can see we have our retracement right here. We have a breakout and we retrace this level, and then that's where we're gonna milk this market. So I hope we're gonna meet the next video. We're gonna meet the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. You can also find me in the Instagram SBFX. You can find me to the Facebook still SBFX. Look for the real account, guys. There are some people who are pretending to be me. Look for the real account. You will see that this is me, this is not me. So thank you very much for watching this video. We're gonna meet next time.